on the way to the vets. Usual thing with a pug, something up with their eyes. Nice one, dog, thank you. Yeah, lovely. Somebody asked me, what do I see Swansea out of 10? Yeah. I don't think there is a city I've been to that is truly a 1 or a 10. I think you take your view with you, really. But considering this is the middle of the city, we're in a bit of a dip here, so it's nicely shielded from all the sounds. There's a big old road up there, you can see traffic going past, but again that's behind trees. And there's Kilvale. Now I can't see them. There we are. I'd say just for the geography of Swansea, it's an 8. But it has its 3s, its 2s, and it has its 9s and 10s, you know, that's life, mate. That's life. Yeah, so considering what I've got on hand is the hills, the beach, river, and the ability to be alone at least for a few minutes, you know, that's nice. It's nice being in nature, thinking about the right things, you know. It's nice if you can give some of your time away. Just doing the right thing, getting outside, showing the world you're alive. What use of you if you don't interact at all? I should have worn thicker trousers, I feel that on my legs. Excellent source of silica, this. Horse's mane, tail, whatever you want to call it. There we go, what do I know? Go on in, dog. Swansea monument of sorts, it's got a spiral all the way up to the top. Looked really cool 20 years ago. There's Vet Bill Ledge up there. Still got to remember, I've got places to go, vets. Come on in, dog. So around this corner I'll put him back on the lead and we walk across that bridge down to Park Towie. Down the valley, down that way. Football stadium up there, Swansea. Come on then, dog. I'll put you back on the lead in a minute. I'm going to send this one to your mum, show you what you were doing for 5 minutes. Bit of fresh air and a walk, and I'm grateful for my day. What you doing with yours? Later.